Hey there, my YouTube friends. I started working on this Kawasaki KR500 GP racer. This is a very detailed kit here. I started some of the parts here on the tree, just doing a little painting when I had colors out. But I'm doing step by step because I don't know motorcycles too well. And I am mostly through step number 2 so far. Did a little bit on step 3 here. But this engine here, very detailed. A lot of colors, a lot of parts. Not really a lot of colors, but a lot of parts to it. This is 30 some odd parts put on here already. So it's a lot of aluminum. I did a dark gray for the engine block with some silver markings. Just kind of hold it out a little bit. Gloss black on these guys here. Looks like a solenoid or something. I'm not sure. These little guys, I don't know what they're for or what they're called. Because like I said, I don't know motorcycles too well. But it's starting to make it a desert yellow. But when I was looking at pictures online of the motorcycles, the real ones, it was almost like a brownish. So what I did was I took Tester's gloss wood, Tester's metallic gold, and some black, and I kind of mixed it up into that color there. The top nipple looking parts there are just flat tan. But yeah, I'm really liking that makeshift rounder that I did. I need a touch up on the inside there because those little insert pieces are supposed to be silver, not the whole inside. So that was not very good. This side was a little better. Anyways, so then I go to step number 3, and I got this big arm piece here, which is this. Looks like a big dinosaur piece. I got the radiator here going. And then once I get to step 4, looks like I put these two parts together here. Where's step 4? There's step 4. I still got to wire the engine too. It gives you all the wiring and all the links. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. So, yeah, I got to wire the engine up here. Off the spark plugs there. And then put it on to this. So hopefully, it goes this way. And then this guy goes onto here somehow. And we're getting there. Alright, so that's the first update on my Kawasaki KR500. I'll keep you posted as to what's going on. And like I always say, wherever you are, what you're doing, enjoy it. Enjoy yourselves. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.